Hi and welcome to this very first episode of How to OSINT. My name is Brecht Castel and I'm a fact checker and journalist at the Belgian magazine Knack. Here I will explain to you how I verify videos and photos on this YouTube channel. And for the first episode we have a very interesting case. This video, a short video, was sent to me by a Brazilian colleague. It's shared in Brazil on Telegram and WhatsApp. Let's look what we've got.
Il avait bien grandi. Et là, ça fait. Ah, ça peut-être même pas ici. Peut-être un peu pointu.
So we see a strange creature inside an eye. The text on the video refers to a conspiracy novel about a new world order, but doesn't bring us closer to what we actually see. That's what we want to find out. What do we see in this video? Where was it uploaded? And we can do this by using the tool InVID from WeVerify. It's a plugin you can install in Google Chrome. I'm now in this tool, and here we can click on keyframes. This is one of the most useful parts. We go to file and we upload the video we got from our Brazilian colleague. So at this point we don't know anything about this video. We know it's just being shared in Brazil. We upload the video and we get some keyframes. This is a very short video, so all frames look alike. There's not much difference, but in longer videos this can be really useful. A very interesting feature as well is that you can do immediately by just clicking on the image and you do a reverse image search with Google. What you see here is some similar images from all strange eyes, so to say, and we also see which pages on the web have similar images. So here we find a Twitter account. Let's click on it and we try to look if we find the same or a similar video. We scroll a bit down, look for the eye, and there we have it. This was a retweet, as you can see, so we always go to the original. It was uploaded on the 17th of October, and here we see a French text saying, "Oh my God, this thing is alive. It's inside an eye, and there is a link to the Pfizer vaccine." So is this worm inside the eye coming through a Pfizer vaccine or not? We'll have to look into it. The first thing I always do is also always look to the comments. Maybe some people have already mentioned interesting things. Some people are saying it is fake, so there's maybe no link to the Pfizer vaccine. You see a lot of interesting things, and this video...
Parasite dans les yeux, le rêve. Non, c'est pas le rêve, tu vas voir. Ce petit truc trop mignon dans les yeux, ça s'appelle Loa Loa. On parle aussi de filariose aloa.
So there's a video, and this girl or woman, she's saying that this is called Loa Loa or filariose aloa. I've never heard about this, so the first thing I do is I just googled it, see if that could make sense what she's saying. So I googled filariose Loa Loa, and by doing this I searched for videos and I found a video on TikTok. This is the one. It's by Kevin Biogo. It was uploaded earlier than the tweet, so and it looks really very much the same. And here it says it's La filariose aloa loa. It's a skin disease, and that's the small worm inside is in the eye because of the skin disease called Loa Loa. So yeah, this brings it already a bit closer. We have the same video. We have someone saying this is this kind of disease, and this person on social media says he's a doctor, he's a médecin in French. I verified this. I looked on other social media accounts, and it seems to be the case that he actually is a doctor, or at least he pretends to be. But interesting, if we go back to the tweet, we see another TikTok handle. So it's not Kevin Biogo. We see on the Twitter video, we see Matt Brown. I couldn't read it that well, but a colleague of mine thought it was Mev Brown and not Matt Brown. I just looked for it in TikTok, see if we can find this user. And there we have a username with Mev Brown, more than 30,000 followers. We scroll through the videos. We see a lot of diseases. He looks like a doctor. He has Dr. Clothes on. He also makes funny dances from time to time. And there we have the video where we're looking for, viewed more than 5 million times. And here we see that in French there's written, you will not believe this is an incredible phenomenon, but there is no mention about what this disease might be. So we have now 2 TikTok videos. We have this one from Kevin Biogo and we have this one from Mev Brown. Which of these is the original? Which of these people I should contact to get more information? That's the question we have now. First thing we look at is the quality of the video. You see that this video has a lot less quality, so this might be a copy of the other one. The one from Mev Brown has much more detail. You can see the worm very good inside the eye, so I think this is probably the original. Another thing we should look at is the upload date. TikTok only indicates this with 2 numbers, so it only says it's this day in October, but there is a trick to do this. We type in Ctrl-Shift-I and we get into the source code of the page. This is looks very complicated, but we only want to find one thing, that's the date of uploading. To do this, we type Ctrl-F, we want to find something in this source code, and we type in create time. By doing this, we find a code with some, just numbers really, and this tells us the exact time the video was uploaded. Of course, this is a code, this is not something in hours and days, so it's not a date, so we have to copy this code, and we'll go to a website called Epoch Converter. And if we copy the code we found here and we click on timestamp to human date, we can find the exact time and date where it was uploaded. Of course, this depends in which time zone you are, so we also have to know where the video was uploaded to precise this a bit. So okay, we know when Mev Brown, or the person who's saying he's Mev Brown, uploaded it. Let's look, who is he and where does he live, or might he live? Apparently he's a very famous person, or he's at least a famous singer in Cameroon, I found out. He has an interesting YouTube channel. I would urge you to check it out. I go to his Facebook page and there it says Douala, Cameroon. Of course, I checked if it's really the same person, but this seems the case. So the video might actually be uploaded here in Douala, Cameroon. We are not sure of this. We don't have proof, but this might be the case because I find a lot of social media posts from this region from Mev Brown. So okay, now we know that the oldest version we found on the internet was uploaded at the beginning of October, probably here in Douala, Cameroon. This gives us a lot of more context, and now we can try to verify if it's really Loa, this strange disease. What I did now is I called an expert. I asked someone, what is this disease? She explained to me how it works. It's a fly that bites you. A larvae of a worm gets inside your skin, and this can pass by the eye. So this expert also told me, yes, this is definitely a video of a Loa disease. She also sent me a academic paper where we can see where the prevalence of this eyeworm is, and if we look to the map where this video might be uploaded, this seems to match. So probably the video was actually uploaded there, and in this region we have this Loa eyeworm disease. So after a few tricks and a bit of looking around on social media and talking to experts, we found out this is actually Loa disease, and this has nothing to do with the Pfizer vaccine or with some kind of strange conspiracy theory. Thank you very much for watching. This was the first time I made a video like this. I hope you liked it.